What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For today I'm going to be installing some 9602 Toytec 3-inch rear springs. I didn't find too much information on them, but from what I read, they give a 3-inch lift. So these are listed under giving a 3-inch lift. So keep in mind that the driver's side is going to be taller, just to compensate for the drive for the fuel tank and for the battery and all that extra stuff. So currently right now for the rear, let's see, I'm gonna take a measurement here. It's a little hard, let me put you guys down here. All right, so the rear currently sits at 38.5, and that's on the passenger side. And the front also sits at 38.5. So I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna put these on because it is cold out here, and I want to put these on and see how they ride and see if they give me a little bit more lift than what I was looking for. So, all right, guys, stay watching.
Much later.
What's up, guys? As you can tell, it's another day. Got a haircut, shaved the beard. Wife didn't like the whole scruff look. All right, guys, there she is. T1 coils in the front. On the back, we got the 9602, the Toytec. So far, I'm liking it. It definitely helped out the back. Those 99 coils in that spacer wasn't really helping much. It drops maybe about less than 1/4 of an inch when the wife sits in the back. I did notice that there is a little bit of less height on this side, but nothing like a 10mm spacer. The top spacer can't fix, which is unfortunate because supposedly I wasn't gonna really need one, but it is what it is. I mean, what does it really cost? Like 10-15 bucks. I'm happy with it. I think it looks good. The back feels like really good. Like, holy cow, the back feels like a whole new ride. Yeah, definitely recommend. So again, I didn't find too much information on the T1s, but I'm happy with them. I didn't find too much information on the 9602s. So keep in mind, they're not the super flicks, but they're the ones right below that. But yeah, again, I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the outcome. So that's where I end today's video. If you guys are new to the video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to leave them down at the bottom. Thank you, guys.